Hello, once again, I'm BR Schultz. Thank you for joining for a BR Schultz SP500 episode. It is end of day January 16th. Market sold off at the end of the day. Looks like it's some kind of five-wave move up, possibly here. And so I updated the data sets in the model, and I think it's roughly a January 21st peak. Could the peak come tomorrow on the 17th end of day? It certainly could. I'll show you why. But after updating the models, looking them over, it really looks like it's like a 21st plus or minus one. And could be early morning the 21st. It could be end of day the 17th. I'll show you why here in a second. Thank you for joining me. I got to go upstairs really quick here soon, but I wanted to throw out a video since I've got the data and because the market's sold off today. So I still think there's a little bit left of strength. I'll show you why here. Thanks for joining me. If you sincerely enjoy my work and want to donate, feel free to use the PayPal link down below this video in the YouTube channel, or you can scan these QR codes. Thank you for joining me today. So I updated the models. This is the peak model for the 5-minute time frame. You can see a 1, 2, 3 in the green wave, pretty crystal clear. And the black diagonal has like a 1, 2, 3 going out to May the 21st. And the gold wave is I think it's picking right at the end of day, the 17th or the 21st. So it's very hard for me to tell because so many of the trend lines seem to be falling in between the crack of the 17th and the 21st. So I really can't, it doesn't like lock in on the center of a date. It locks on the very edge of both days. So it's very difficult for me to give you a precise like plus or minus one. So I guess I have to go with the 21st plus or minus one. So it still could be the end of the day, 17th, but this will be the official peak call. So maybe markets pop back up higher tomorrow. But I think that's the peak, and then I'll obviously have to create a bottom video maybe over the weekend. But that's what I'm seeing here. And again, that green with the white 1, 2, 3 there, it makes me think that, again, it's really hard to tell. That red line is really at the very beginning of the 21st, and it could slightly bump over to the end of the day, 17th. So again, the peak could be end of day tomorrow, end of day 17th. Very hard for me to tell. But with today's sell-off, obviously the peak. Some people might be saying, "Well, was today your peak?" No, today was not my peak, not my official peak at least. And so go with the 21st. So there you have it. 21st is my official official peak, swing trade peak in the markets. Thank you for joining me. I'm BR Schultz. And again, this model was also picking right around the March 21st, 24th bottom for markets for the major low with a zigzag, a 1, 2, 3 touch point, BR Schultz SP500 systematic way of timing markets with a zigzag. And then this is the macro peak for December of 2027. So in a nutshell, in under 10 minutes, maybe near 5 actually, you've got the complete rundown from the macro to the micro to the micro to the macro. All right, race fans, I'll catch you later. Bye. So hopefully you've enjoyed my show today. Warning, this is all forecast use only. Come here. You want to read this for me? What does that say? Forecast.
Forecast.
Use
only.
Only. Right. And what's this say?
Warning.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer. I am not
a licensed investment professional. That's Latin. So say caveat emptor. Seek professional advice prior to investing. Bears risk
of
financial
loss.
Very good. And so basically this is saying if you ever try to invest in stocks or anything else, you could lose money. Warning, warning, warning. And all my graphs are subject to change and not all the results are not always the same. Yeah. Thank you for reading for me.
You're welcome.
And that's it for today. I'm B.R. Schultz. Until next time, take care.